salmon sperm facial with salmon sperm injected into my face.
Salmon DNA. What is it? It's a DNA fragment extracted from salmon sperm. It acts as a skin regeneration agent by stimulating collagen production, healing damaged tissue, and reducing inflammation. Salmon DNA has actually been around for over 50 years. We've known about its cosmetic benefits for at least 15 years, especially since BB Glow became popular. Now, this version from Matrigen contains 50,000 ppm of salmon DNA. That's a very high concentration. In fact, many other products only have 10,000 ppm or even less, so this one is 5 times stronger. It delivers deeper regeneration, faster healing, and a much more noticeable glow. This specific version is made only for microneedling and topical use. Do not inject it. It's not stabilized for injection and can cause swelling. Matrigen does have injectable grade products, but this is not one of them. To use it, just follow standard microneedling protocol. If you've been trained in microneedling with BCT, you'll know exactly how to apply it. It's also included in the protocol and training course. If you're using it superficially, apply it every 14 days, or at least once a month for maintenance. Skin concerns this targets include fine lines, wrinkles, acne scarring, dull or fatigued skin, redness, inflammation, uneven skin tone, dehydration, mature skin, and skin recovering from treatments or barrier damage. What happens when you use this? I often pair it with dermaplaning first. Then I apply the salmon DNA on top. The skin immediately looks plumped, dewy, and has that snatched, lifted look, especially with this 50,000 ppm version. It's best suited for sensitive skin, aging or mature skin, dry or damaged skin, and post-treatment recovery.
Keep it moving, dog.